Hey, stop crying. Boys don't cry. क्या लड़कियों के जैसे रो रहे हो? Are we really raising our boys the right way? Or are we silently teaching them that how to hide their emotions and carry pressure alone? Raising a boy is not just about making him strong. It is about making him kind, confident, respectful, and emotionally secure. The way we bring up our boys today will decide what kind of men they become tomorrow. The way you guide him today will become his voice tomorrow, and the way you treat him today will become how he treats the world tomorrow. Today, let's talk about something very important, that how we raise a boy child. Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome to Mindful Parenting with Dimple. From a very young age, boys are often told that don't cry, you are a boy. This is where the problem begins. When we stop a boy from expressing emotions, we are teaching him to suppress feelings instead of understanding them. Let boys cry. Let them express fear, sadness, happiness openly. Emotional strength comes from understanding feelings, not hiding them. Teach boys to name their emotions. Ask them that, are you feeling sad, angry, or upset? When they learn to express, they learn to manage emotions better. And this helps them to grow calm and understanding individuals rather than aggressive or frustrated adults. What is the role of parents? Parents are the biggest role models. A boy observes how his father treats his mother and how his mother speaks to others. He learns respect from what he sees and not what he is told. If he grows up in a respectful and loving environment, he will naturally carry those values. Avoid statements like boys don't cook or boys don't play with dolls. Let boys explore all kind of activities. Cooking teaches them the life skill. Playing with dolls teaches them care and empathy. There is no boy work or girl work. There are only life skills. Let's see the key points with results that how we can raise a boy the right way. Number 1, emotional strength over suppression. Teach boys to express their feelings openly instead of hiding them. उन्हें बताने दीजिए कि वो कैसे फील कर रहे हैं. अगर उन्हें रोना है तो रोने दीजिए. अगर उन्हें कुछ फील हो रहा है तो अगर वो एक्सप्रेस नहीं करेंगे तो वो उन्हें समझेंगे कैसे. सो इससे क्या होगा? व्हाट विल बी द रिजल्ट? बेटर मेंटल हेल्थ, इमोशनल बैलेंस एंड स्ट्रॉन्गर रिलेशनशिप्स. नंबर 2, independence and responsibility. Give small responsibilities like keeping your toys back, watering plants, folding clothes, helping at home. ये छोटे छोटे काम उन्हें भी करने दीजिए घर के. ऐसा नहीं है कि लड़के घर के काम नहीं करेंगे. आजकल तो इस जनरेशन में you have to teach everything to boys also. So what will be the result? They will be self-reliant, disciplined and responsible individuals. Number 3, discipline and understanding. Discipline should not create fear. Explain calmly, set clear boundaries and help them understand why something is wrong. अगर वो कुछ गलत कर रहे हैं तो उन्हें डांट के चुप नहीं कराना है. उन्हें बताना है कि आप ये कर रहे हो और वो गलत है और वो क्यों गलत है. इससे क्या होगा? बेटर सेल्फ कंट्रोल आएगा उनमें, डिसीजन मेकिंग आएगा एंड दे विल रिस्पेक्ट द रूल्स. Number 4, very important, teaching respect. Teach boys to respect everyone. Women, elders, helpers, peers. See, practice respect through daily actions like please and thank you. उन्हें हर एक जन की रिस्पेक्ट करना आना ही चाहिए, भले वो कितने भी छोटे हो या कितने भी बड़े हो जाए. See, अगर वो बचपन से ही लड़कियों की रिस्पेक्ट करना सीख लेंगे तो आगे उनकी लाइफ ही बहुत ईजी हो जाएगी. इससे रिजल्ट क्या होगा? दे विल बिकम काइंड, empathetic and social aware individuals. Number 5, influence of society and media. Monitor what they watch and guide them about right and wrong. Discuss media instead of controlling completely. आप सब कुछ बंद नहीं कर सकते, कितने हद तक आप बंद करेंगे? आपको उन्हें कंट्रोल करना है. लाइक अगर आप उन्हें कुछ दे रहे हैं, इफ यू आर गिविंग देम एक्सपोजर, तो गिव लिमिटेड एक्सपोजर. तो आपको वो हर एक स्टेज पे उनके लिमिटेशंस को चेक करना पड़ेगा. व्हाट विल बी द रिजल्ट? दे विल बिकम स्ट्रॉन्ग, जजमेंट स्किल्स and the ability to make wise choices. Number 6, building confidence. Appreciate efforts, not just results. Encourage hard work and persistence. वो कुछ भी कर रहे हैं, अगर वो कुछ अच्छा कर रहे हैं, whatever the result will be, appreciate their efforts. उन्हें जो मेहनत डाली है उस काम में, उसे appreciate जरूर कीजिए. And the result will be they will grow with high self-esteem, resilience and a growth mindset. Number 7, handling anger in a healthy way. See, teach boys to manage anger by talking, taking breaks, or expressing through activities. कि see, anger तो आने ही वाला है, गुस्सा वो करेंगे, but उन्हें channelize कैसे करना है वो उन्हें जरूर सिखाना है. And in result, they will reduce aggression and they will learn to control the emotions in a better way. Number 8, very important, that communication is the key. Talk to your child daily about their thoughts, their feelings and experiences. उनसे बात करिए डेली, डे टू डे लाइफ में वो क्या सीख रहे हैं, वो कैसे ग्रो हो रहे हैं, उनके थॉट प्रोसेस कैसे चेंज हो रहे हैं, ये सब आपको जानना जरूरी है. Then only you can guide them in the correct way. So the result will be like they will be strong parent-child bond, एक तो आपका बनेगा उनके साथ, and emotional security मिलेगी. Number 9, encouraging independent thinking. Allow them to question, explore and make decisions. हर बात उन्हें टोकना जरूरी नहीं है, उन्हें एक्सप्लोर करने दीजिए, उन्हें क्वेश्चंस पूछने दीजिए, उनको छोटे छोटे डिसीजंस लेने दीजिए. इससे वो लोग कॉन्फिडेंट बनेंगे. They will learn the problem solving abilities and leadership skills. Number 10, redefining masculinity. Teach that true strength lies in kindness, patience and respect, not dominance. उन्हें हमें ये बचपन से सिखाना पड़ेगा कि रियल स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ मैन क्या है. उन्हें बस गुस्सा और डोमिनेंस नहीं सिखाना है, उन्हें सिखाना है कि आप आपके सामने वाले का रिस्पेक्ट रख के कैसे प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. इससे क्या होगा कि दे विल हैव द बैलेंस्ड पर्सनालिटी and healthy relationships. Number 11, creating responsible and respectful men. Help them understand equality, boundaries and accountability. So this is very very important, that they should be raised in a way that they feel equality should be everywhere. उनको ऐसा कभी नहीं फील आना चाहिए कि I am the man of the house या I am someone that I have to handle everything और मैं ही सब कुछ हूँ. See, this is very very important. They have to be that responsible कि वो इतना समझ ले कि what is equality. हर हर इंसान को उनका रिस्पेक्ट करेक्टली देना, उनको इक्वली ट्रीट करना, और कभी ये नहीं समझना कि आई एम द मैन ऑफ द हाउस और आई हैव द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ टेकिंग केयर ऑफ एवरीथिंग. एंड द रिजल्ट विल बी दैट दे विल हैव ethical behavior and respectful conduct towards society. And number 12 is shaping future families and society. The way a boy is raised reflects in his future roles as a partner, father and citizen. आप सिर्फ एक बच्चा नहीं बड़ा कर रहे, आप एक बेटा नहीं बड़ा कर रहे, आप एक करेक्ट ह्यूमन बीइंग बड़ा कर रहे, जो आके जाके वो एक अच्छा पार्टनर भी बनना चाहिए, वो एक अच्छा फादर भी बनना चाहिए, and most importantly a good human being. And in result you will get a strong families, positive communication and a better future for your son. Boys are not born with behavior, they learn it. The way we guide them today decides the kind of men they become tomorrow. Okay, so all boys, mommies, please pause for a moment and ask yourself that what kind of man do you want your boy to become. Do you want him to react with anger or respond with calmness? Do you want him to follow others blindly or think and choose what is right? Do you want him to demand respect or earn it through his actions? Think about the future. When life challenges him, how do you want him to handle it? With patience or frustration? With understanding or ego? With responsibility or excuses? Because the truth is simple. The way you guide him today becomes his voice tomorrow. The way you treat him today becomes how he treats the world. Raise him not just to succeed, but to be kind, strong, respectful, and wise. Because one day your little boy will become someone's role model. Because the way we raise our boys today is the way our society will look tomorrow. Because you are not just raising a boy, you are shaping the kind of world we all live in tomorrow. I hope all mommies with boy child will agree on this. So train your brains as every child deserves an aware parent. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.